So simple, I said that the Water Quality Assessment Authority has been, I said that, formed by whom? Ministry of Environment and Forest, and then under him who is supporting? One, I said that supporting agency is, I said that, Ministry of Water Resource, and then another supporting agency is, I said that, coordination between center and state. It is, I said that, Ministry of Water Quality Review Committee. Next one is Command Area Development and Water Management Program. Command Area Development and Water Management Program. Command Area Development. इससे पहले हम लोगों ने कौन कौन सी बात, which are the programs I discussed with you? AIBP, Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program. Can you discuss? समझ में आ चुका है? 1996 to 97. First it is for major and medium. Then later on for, I said that in 2005 minor schemes, लेकिन 100 hectare land से ज़्यादा हो irrigation. And then it has included, उसने क्या include किया? Drought area and tribal area. It has included what? Drought area and tribal area. और 2006 के onwards, this AIBP has given 10,000 crore for the 200 major and medium. उनको प्रोग्राम को कंप्लीट किया जाए जल्दी से जल्दी, and then 5,500 minor schemes, minor irrigation schemes को. And उसके बाद we have seen like another program हमने देखा HIS, and it is done by the World Bank in the 9 states. And thereafter इससे क्या होगा? Capacity, institutional body के जितने होंगे, capacity building will be there. They can control, they can operate, and finally we can be able to utilize. And there can be. And thereafter we have been able to see another, each and every word is very much important, I said. Another is, I said that Water Quality Assessment Authority, and it has been made in the 2001, and then with the help of whom? I said that Ministry of Environment and Forest, and उसमें पानी को पूरा अच्छे से देखना है. Water, this is a major pollution, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ pollution हो रहा है. This is a great concern. Pollution of national water resource. This is the major problem. और उसके लिए Ministry of Environment Forest has said that there is a Water Quality Assessment Authority, and then उस quality इस authority को कौन support करेगा? Ministry of Water Resource. He will coordinate, he will give an assistance, always keep on carrying some kind of functions for them. And then another, it is, I said that there is a Water Quality Review Committee जो कि central state के बीच में information को देता रहेगा और improving the coordination between them. Another, I said the Command Area Development Program or Water Management Program. और इसका 1974-75 में स्टार्ट किया गया था और still it is working. It is improving the, I said that improving the irrigation potential of a project. Simple. तो आप 10,000 हेक्टेयर प्रोड्यूस कर, 10,000 हेक्टेयर में आपका इरिगेशन पोटेंशियल है. अब उसको मैं कितना बना दूंगा? 15,000. समझ में? तो आई हैव टू इंक्रीज द इरिगेशन पोटेंशियल. इसीलिए सरदार सरोवर का एक मैंने एग्जांपल दिया कि पहले इसकी हाइट थी अराउंड 121 एंड इट्स हाइट हैज बीन इंक्रीज्ड बाय 129. नाउ इट विल स्टोर मोर वाटर. Now it will store more water. So around 19 meter height and 20 meter height, the Sardar Sarovar Dam has been increased. So the main objective of improving the utilization of created irrigation potential. तो मेरा main objective है उसके irrigation potential को क्या किया जाए? बढ़ाया जाए. Optimizing इससे agriculture production and agriculture productivity can increase. This is clear. Now, thereafter I said that national project for repair, understand करेंगे repair, हमें repair करना है, renovation and the restoration of water bodies. Repair, renovation, तो जो भी हमारे existing project हैं उसकी storage capacity को restore करना है. Restore if it is not working, restore and renovation भी हमें बढ़ाना भी है, augment भी करना. We have to also increase. Two things will be there. हमें already some lands which are, I said, अभी command area development में तो हमने ये देखा कि इसकी ये potential, इसके potential को बढ़ाकर कितना कर दिया जाए? सभी का अलग अलग वर्क है। AIBP बोल रहा है कि आपका प्रोजेक्ट अभी वहां पे स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी नहीं हुआ है, स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी इज नॉट देयर, बट आई वांट टू फिनिश इट फास्ट सो दैट द वाटर कैन बी स्टोर्ड। AIBP इज डूइंग, अंडरस्टूड। हाइड्रोलॉजिकल इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम का इट इज इन अ डिफरेंट वर्क, एंड देन आई सेड दैट देयर इज अनदर वाटर क्वालिटी असेसमेंट अथॉरिटी, दे आर डिफरेंट, वो भी पानी बचा रहा है। अनदर आई सेड दैट दिस इज what is a command area development program we have seen, and water management program, वो irrigation potential को it is increasing, but यहाँ पर जो है जो existing है उसकी storage capacity को बढ़ाना है, storage capacity को restore करना है और बढ़ाना भी है। restore and augment, restore and augment, due to some reason that it is not happening, और इसके लिए जो पैसा लगेगा center will give 3 and then state will give 1. So the national project for repair, renovation, restoration of water bodies, projects for implementation by state governments, projects for implementation कौन implement करेगा? State government. Center will provide money but it will be implemented by state government. Funds are released to the state and that is shared by the center and state in the ratio of 3:1. This scheme was implemented during the last 2 years of 10th 5-year plan and is still going on, and objectives to restore and augment the storage capacity of water bodies and recover and extend their lost irrigation potential. तो restore का मतलब ही है, restore का मतलब क्या है कि उसकी जो irrigation potential थी वो कहीं ना कहीं किसी की वजह से, चाहे डैम बना दिया आपने, नीचे में siltation बहुत बड़ा बढ़ गया, तो पानी पहले डैम था तो water is up to this, but siltation की वजह से water is up to this, the irrigation potential has decreased. Yes, and when the irrigation potential has decreased, somewhere canals problem and all, तो कहीं पे भी irrigation potential जो lost हो गया उसको restore करना, and also not only restore, also augment. इसमें center will provide 3 and then 1 will be state government, but it will be done by center or state. It will be done by state. So therefore it is a repair, renovation and then restoration of water body. The national project for repair, renovation and restore. Understood? Water bodies. Flood management. ये आप लोगों ने flood management जो है ये आपने पढ़ाया हुआ है, मैंने flood management इससे ज़्यादा deeply I have gone through. River water disputes and we have to also work on the what बताया था कि rivers of the country are mostly interstate river, and interstate river water dispute act 1956 provides for settlement of disputes by negotiation, or if it is not by negotiation, if failing, refer such dispute to the tribunal for adjudication. Tribunal में जाइए, tribunal courts are there, there is solving your problem as soon as possible. Understood it? So we have been able to see which are the 6 other efforts till now. Which are the 6 efforts? Other efforts याद हो जाना चाहिए। पहला कौन सा था? वो नहीं, other efforts, AIBP, accelerated irrigation benefit program. Second one I said that hydrological information system, water quality assessment authority, then command area development project, और बेटा मेरा बोलने का वही होता है, command area development and water management program, and then we 1974-75, then we have seen, I said that which are the 2, and it is in a repair, renovation and restoration of water bodies. So there is a national project, flood management, and another I said that what interstate river water disputes. These are the 7 that we have been able to see, and these are the other efforts. interstate river water dispute भी तो पानी को आप लोग यूज नहीं कर पा रहे, पानी तो आता जाता है उसको, अंडरस्टूड? सो अब यहाँ पे है लास्ट 2, एक्सेलरेटेड रूरल वाटर सप्लाई प्रोग्राम, एक्सेलरेटेड रूरल वाटर सप्लाई प्रोग्राम एंड नेशनल मिशन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. एक्सेलरेटेड रूरल वाटर सप्लाई प्रोग्राम. अभी हम लोगों ने देखा था इन द भारत निर्माण प्रोग्राम, आई हैव गिवन यू एन आइडिया अबाउट द रूरल वाटर सप्लाई, याद होगा, और रूरल वाटर सप्लाई को एक्सेलरेट करना है. एक्सेलरेटेड रूरल वाटर सप्लाई प्रोग्राम समझ में आ गया, एंड नेशनल मिशन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. तो हमें जो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, जो सेवरल रूरल एरियाज आर नॉट एबल टू गेट द ग्राउंड वाटर पी के बीमार हो रहे हैं, तो ग्राउंड वाटर का एक्स्ट्रा गलत यूज ना हो, and then there will be a water national mission for drinking water. These projects aim to achieve the goal of supplying drinking water to all villages in India. So I said that this is clear, and then I said mass-based recharge movement, and then in many parts of hard rock India, groundwater depletion has invoked community-based mass movement for rainwater harvesting. It is for the peninsular India. जहाँ जहाँ पे हार्ड रॉक भी हो, पेनिसुलर इंडिया एंड वेयर देयर इज एन हार्ड रॉक, वहाँ पे वाटर जब निकालोगे नीचे से वाटर डिप्लेटिंग इन फास्ट, सो देयर इज एन मास बेस्ड, गवर्नमेंट कैन नॉट डू टू मच, everyone should involve. Wherever the plateau structure, where is the hard rock structure, in this region mass should involve in, I said that, recharging the water. सब जगह पानी को स्टोर करें, धीरे धीरे पानी स्लोली जाएगा. इन सेडिमेंट्री नॉर्थ इंडिया में पानी रिचार्ज, वाटर रिचार्ज इज फास्ट, बट इन द प्लेट्यू स्ट्रक्चर, इन द हार्ड रॉक स्ट्रक्चर, इट विल बी स्लोली कंपैरेटिवली, क्योंकि उसके अंदर क्या होता है, स्पेस इज लेस, एंड देन पानी में रॉक पे पानी डाल के देखो आप, कई दिनों तक तो वैसे ही पानी दिखेगा. इट्स रिचार्ज इज वेरी स्लो. सो mass based recharge movement. So we have seen around 9 efforts, and then some, I said, the recent years. So efforts, conservation efforts. So 11th 5-year, I said that what are the conservation efforts that the government of India has taken, and then I said that first in national water policy in 1987 it has been formed, but it has not been able to achieve what it has to achieve. The next point I have said that therefore 2002 national water policy has been formed, and that is achieving something better, and then our irrigation has been increased, and due to this in the present time we are producing how much grain, around 250 million ton, and thereafter we have been able to see 11th 5-year plan, and the 11th 5-year plan में क्या क्या किया था हमने in the 11th 5-year plan. First I said that irrigation projects, and then some I said that major, medium and minor irrigation schemes, जैसे माही river पे we have made, and that is I said that 3 major, 3 minor, 4 medium, and then hundreds of minor, and because of this 3 lakh hectare of the land has been increased under it. Clear? उसके बाद what we have seen, another program, yes, Jal Abhiyan program 2005, and then Jal Abhiyan program 2005 में क्या क्या देखा था, we should increase the method of what is in a groundwater recharge, and then management for the, I said that surface and groundwater, so that efficient utilization can be there, and with the help of this coverage of how many villages, 20,000 villages with 1 lakh rainwater harvesting infrastructure. Understood? After that we have seen that then we have to focus on the, I said, the rainwater harvesting infrastructure. Several kind of structure हमें तैयार करना होगा, ये हमने discuss किया. Thereafter we have talked about, I said that efficient use of I said irrigation water, that is through the sprinkler irrigation, and then I said that drip irrigation and other methods, and then we have seen, like I said, that water should be available, and but its utilizable should be, I said that at environmental level, equitable manner, and then I said that at economical manner. So water should be utilized at that. उसके बाद I started with, I said that rural infrastructure development Bharat Nirman program in 2005, and then Bharat Nirman program was targeted in the how many regions? I said that 7 regions. How many regions? Specific 7 areas, and in these 7 areas it has been targeted that they will increase 10 million hectare of the land irrigation capacity. और उसको बोला कि वहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे in the भारत निर्माण प्रोग्राम में, in those 7 areas we will do the rural infrastructure development, and would I said the rural road, rural housing, rural water supply, rural electrification, rural education, rural, I said that telecommunication. Understood? And उसके साथ irrigation potential जब लोग educate होते जाएंगे, then they will be. This is the thing that we have adopted in 2005. इसके बाद हम लोग आ गए, इसके बाद we come on to what? Other efforts. Other efforts में we have seen AIBP, and then All India Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program, All India Bharat Program.